Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, let's dive deep into the fascinating world of deep learning and unravel how it's powering the AI that's becoming an ever-present force in our lives. From the gadgets we use daily to the groundbreaking innovations shaping our future, deep learning is at the heart of it all. First off, what exactly is deep learning? It's a term we hear often, but what does it really mean? Imagine it as the brainchild of artificial intelligence and human brain function, using algorithms to mimic the way we think and learn. Just like our brains, deep learning systems use layers of neural networks to process information. It's all about neural networks, which are layered just like the neurons in our brains, and these networks can learn from massive amounts of data. The more data they process, the smarter they become. Now, you might be wondering, where do I encounter deep learning on a daily basis? Well, it's everywhere. It's seamlessly integrated into many aspects of our lives. When you use a digital assistant like Siri or Alexa, that's deep learning at work. These assistants understand and respond to your voice commands by processing vast amounts of data. How about when Netflix recommends a movie that's right up your alley? That's deep learning analyzing your viewing habits and preferences to suggest content you'll love. Yep, that's deep learning too. It's not just about entertainment, it's also about security and innovation. Even more serious applications, like detecting credit card fraud or powering self-driving cars, rely on this technology. These systems analyze patterns and anomalies to make real-time decisions. But powering these neural networks isn't simple. It requires a lot of resources and sophisticated technology. It requires intense computing power. The more complex the task, the more computational power is needed. That's where GPUs, or graphical processing units, come into play. These powerful processors are designed to handle the heavy lifting required by deep learning because they process multiple calculations simultaneously. These aren't just for gamers, they're ideal for handling the heavy lifting required by deep learning because they process multiple calculations simultaneously. However, there's a catch. Operating multiple high-performance GPUs can be quite demanding and pricey, especially if companies try to manage this hardware on their own premises. The cost and complexity can be a significant barrier. It's a big challenge, but also a testament to how crucial and transformative deep learning is. The investment in this technology is a reflection of its potential to revolutionize various industries. So, as we step further into an AI-driven world, the role of deep learning will only grow. It's a field that's constantly evolving and expanding. It's not just about making our lives easier or more entertaining, it's about pushing the boundaries of what machines can learn and how they can help us solve complex problems. From healthcare to transportation, the possibilities are endless. It's about pushing the boundaries of what machines can learn and how they can help us solve complex problems. Thanks for tuning in. If you're as fascinated by AI and technology as I am, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and dive into the comments to let me know what AI topics you're curious about. If you're as fascinated by AI and technology as I am, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and dive into the comments to let me know what AI topics you're curious about. See you in the next video.